If you need laundry products and you love Gain especially, it's a great week to go couponing at Walgreens because we're grabbing these for $3.24 a piece, or you can save on the larger ones and grab those for $5.99 a piece. As always, we're only using digital coupons in this video. I also have an amazing scenario for you guys that winds up being a moneymaker if you have a digital booster like this. For spend $35, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bree, the Coupon Queen, and I share the best deals with you guys every single week at Walgreens, CVS, and sometimes Walmart as well to help you save money on every single product that you buy. This Thursday, I have a completely free live coupon masterclass helping you master your monthly savings. I'm gonna be breaking down my exact strategies for how I saved $445 last month using only my phone, digital coupons, and earning cash back. So to reserve your seat, go to breecouponqueen.com/masterclass, or the link is gonna be below in the description box as well. Let's pop into Walgreens and take advantage of some incredible deals this week. So first thing, I want to give you guys a heads up. I had planned on doing a lot of CoverGirl deals. They were supposed to be a huge moneymaker because I saw online that some of the products were on clearance. However, the exact products that are on clearance are the exact products that are excluded on Ibotta. This is why it's so important to make sure that when you open Ibotta and you click on Walgreens, you click on the search button in the top right, click the barcode scanner and actually scan the product, or of course read the product, but I just like to scan it. It makes it a lot easier. It shows that this one does not work with the CoverGirl Eye rebate. Then it also excludes this exact clean matte for CoverGirl Face, and it excludes the BB cream for CoverGirl Face. So I'm gonna switch up my deal a little bit, but wanted to put that disclaimer out there so you guys don't mess up on accident and then not get your cash back and have it ruin your deals. Always scan the products on the apps that you're looking for to make sure that it does attach to the rebate, it attaches to the coupon, etc. So this is what I'm gonna grab instead for the face products. Now I scanned these because these are the cheapest face products. I scanned them on the Walgreens app. They do not work with the $3 digital. However, these blushes down here do. So grab two at $9.29. The second one will be half price. Click the $3 off one digital coupon. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $3 cash back each. And for the second product, we are going to be submitting to Checkout 51 for $3 back as a coupon reimbursement. That's gonna make your final cost $1.93 for both, or like 97 cents a piece, which is not a moneymaker, but still an amazing deal. I'm also adding this in with my digital spend booster, so it makes it even better. Then we're gonna grab two of the CoverGirl Eye. So these are the cheapest ones included. They're buy one, get one half off as well at $7.29. So two is gonna bring you to $10.93. Clip the $3 off one digital coupon. You'll pay $7.93 out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $3 cash back each. The limit is 2. Then submit to either Checkout 51. I already used my rebate, so I'm gonna submit to Swagbucks instead for $3 cash back. Makes them both free and a $1.06 moneymaker. Next, we're gonna grab some Colgate. So these are on sale for $5 each. Buy two, get a $4 register reward. We wanna grab two of the $5 ones because they're working with a $5 off two digital coupon. You'll pay $5 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, makes your final cost $1 for two or 50 cents a piece. That is a stock up price for oral care. Now, there's a ton of clearance at my store, so head over to the candy section. I just need one more product that's about $1 to be able to get me over the $35 mark to use that digital booster. So I'm gonna either grab some Skittles or Nerds Rope, something like that, and that'll bring me over. So let's go over that transaction. So this is what I'm grabbing for my transaction using the digital booster. For spend $35, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. So definitely check your account, see what kind of booster you have if you have one. I haven't been getting them every single week. Let me know in the comments if you did get one and if you got something different. So total for all these products is $35.86. So do not use any Walgreens cash if you're doing the exact same transaction that I'm doing here. We do have $11 in coupons, so you'll pay $24.86 out of pocket. Then you're gonna earn back $7 in Walgreens cash from the booster, $4 register reward for the Colgate, plus $12 cash back from Ibotta for all the CoverGirl. And I'm gonna submit to Swagbucks for the $3 back on this and $3 back on this instead of submitting to Checkout 51. You can submit to either, it doesn't matter. makes all of these products free and a net cost of a $4.14 moneymaker. There's a couple more deals I'm gonna grab, so let's dive in. If you like saving money using only your phone and digital coupons, make sure you take a second and hit that subscribe button. If you need laundry products, we have a ton of great deals this week. So first, we're gonna start with the buy four, get a $5 register reward. You can grab Gain products for $3.24 each. So this is an in-store only deal. What you're gonna do is grab a Fireworks, clip the $1 off one digital coupon, grab a Gain dryer sheets, the 120 count, clip the $1 digital coupon. Then grab a Gain Flings, the smaller packs here, with a separate $1 digital coupon. I actually have a $1.05 digital that I'm gonna use. Finally, we're grabbing this small Gain liquid for $5.49 with another $1 digital coupon. So these are the four products you're grabbing. Total is $21.96. After the $4 in coupons, you'll pay $17.96, earn back that $5 register reward, makes your final net cost $3.24 per product, which is still cheaper than grabbing them at Walmart. The other good thing about couponing at Walgreens is you have rewards. So you could pay with Walgreens cash and or register rewards on this deal to further lower your out-of-pocket cost. Another great deal on Gain is the larger products here, part of a separate in-store promotion. For buy two, get a $4 register reward. You can save about 40% on the large ones. So grab a large Gain liquid, clip the $2 off one digital coupon. Next, grab the large 240 count of the dryer sheets with a separate $2 digital coupon. Your total for these two is going to be $19.98, but then you have $4 in digital coupons. You'll pay $15.98 out of pocket, earn back the $4 register reward, makes your final cost $11.98 for both bottles or just $5.99 a piece. That's a really good stock up price as well. And if you do both deals, I recommend doing this deal first because some of the digital coupons attach to both. So for example, the $1.05 coupon attaches to this one or it attaches to the small one. So if you do the small one first, it'll eliminate that coupon, ensuring that the higher value $2 coupon is the one that's going to come off of these products here. If you need dish soap, here's a good deal on Dawn, which is personally my favorite. So these sizes right here are on sale for $2.99. Grab two of them, clip the 2 off 2 digital coupon, makes your final cost $1.99 a piece. Another deal this week that does not require any coupons is on the Arm & Hammer. I personally think grabbing the scent beads is the best deal, or mixing the scent beads and the packs, because the liquids down here are just so freaking tiny, but they're buy one, get two free. It makes your final cost $2.49 a piece. If you need toilet paper, here's a decent deal on the Quilted Northern. It also works on Angel Soft, Brawny, or Dixie. They're buy two, get a $3 register reward, and they're $6.99 on sale. So grab a Quilted Northern, clip the 50-cent digital coupon. Then you can also grab one of these Angel Soft here for $6.99, clip the 50-cent digital coupon. So for both products, after the coupons come off, you'll pay $12.98, earn back that $3 register reward, makes your final cost $4.99 a piece. We're back in from Walgreens. I wish I could tell you that everything was amazing and hunky-dory, but unfortunately, you know how it goes with Walgreens sometimes. I feel like one week it'll be great and then next week it's gonna kind of be a dumpster fire. So let me share with you my transactions and what happened. First thing I tried to do was the Hallmark card deal. The digital coupon didn't come off. I just did that alone. Digital coupon wouldn't come off, so I had her void it. Then, like, look how my receipt printed. Like what? This is what I was dealing with today. Just nonsense. So then I did my first transaction, which was with the spend booster. So I did my first transaction. I had a $4 register reward previously that I went ahead and used to lower my out-of-pocket cost. My digital coupon for the Colgate, my $3 for the CoverGirl face, $3 for the CoverGirl eye, all came off. This one was looking real good. Okay, paid $22.66 out of pocket. Submitted over to Ibotta for the cashback on the CoverGirl. Then I submitted over to Swagbucks for the cashback on the CoverGirl as well. So this transaction went great. However, the register reward for the Colgate did not print. And I was like, oh no. And yes, it was on. I always ask, is it on and is it printing? And they say yes before I get started to try to prevent these issues. Register reward didn't print. So we started the second transaction, which was all of this. That was all that I put in it. Obviously I can't really show you because the receipt printed all crazy, but it was only the gain deal for the laundry. So we started that transaction. So then he added on like a booster for me that would give me an extra $5 in Walgreens cash. I tried to use Walgreens cash on that transaction, but because of the way he added on that booster, it kind of acted like a paper booster. So then it wouldn't let me pay with Walgreens cash. I was like, no, that doesn't work. My out of pocket would have been $20.45. I'm like, no, that's going to blow my entire deal. Going to blow my budget. I can't do it. So they voided the transaction. He gave me $5 in Walgreens cash separately. Then we did a separate transaction for the gain deal. Everything rang up. All the digital coupons came off. I was able to use Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket cost. Then the register reward again didn't print, so he had to credit me more Walgreens cash back. So they made it right. Like, this store is great and they're always like super nice and lenient and stuff. It's just so like super frustrating when deals don't work sometimes, because I try to share with you guys deals that'll work so that way you guys can go and have things work perfectly and not feel discouraged or frustrated. But just know it happens all the time. Like there's nothing you can do, right? It is technology, and that's why like technology we can't control. So sometimes things aren't gonna happen right. Don't necessarily think that it's because you did something wrong. Sometimes we can do everything completely right. And just like I did, if the transaction was gonna make me pay $20.45 out of pocket, there was like one or two people in line behind me. I said, no, please void the transaction. Like, don't feel obligated to just pay that out of pocket and kill your budget for the month. Don't do that. It's okay to just be like, hey, no worries, can you void this transaction? And I was gonna walk out and like have the, put the stuff back and walk out. But then, we wound up trying it again and redoing it again and stuff. But a lot of people are like, oh, I felt awkward, so I just went ahead and paid. Don't do that. You're not required to buy those products, okay? It's not a big deal to just void a transaction. So that is my lesson for today. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Hopefully your hauls go a little bit better than mine. Online deals, Walgreens is my favorite. In-store deals, CVS is definitely my favorite because I never have these issues at CVS. So I don't know what it is with the Walgreens system. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.